Hey food lovers, welcome back to Ethica's Kitchen, where we explore delicious and nutritious meals every day. If you are looking for a simple yet highly nutritious addition to your diet, and so today's recipe is just for you. We're talking about these tiny but mighty dried fish, also known as omena, or you can call them sardines, which are packed with proteins, omega 3s, and essential minerals that do wonders for your body. Yeah, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare mouth-watering dish using these dried fish, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Stick around as we break down the health benefits and share an easy step-by-step recipe that will leave you craving for more. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends, and let's get to cooking. So for omena, it is a small freshwater fish commonly found in Lake Victoria and other water bodies in East Africa. And what I can say, these tiny fish are typically sun-dried after being caught, making them a staple ingredients in many households due to their affordability, long shelf life, and high nutritional value. Omena is widely consumed in Kenya, Uganda, and maybe in Tanzania, especially among communities living near Lake Victoria. In Kenya, it is particularly loved by the Luo and the Luya communities, where it is a key protein source. So in today's video, I can also add why is it important or why is it loved. So the first reason I can add nutritional due to its nutritional value. Omena is packed with proteins, making it a superfood for bone and brain health. It's affordable and accessible. It is a cheaper alternative to meat and is available in most markets throughout East Africa. And as well, it's versatile in cooking. Yeah, omena can be fried, it can be stewed, or added to sauces to enhance the flavor and nutrition. Okay, with the health benefits of dried small fish, they are rich in protein. They are an excellent source of highly quality protein essential for muscle growth and repair. They are loaded with calcium. Since they are eaten whole, they provide a great calcium source for strong bones and teeth. They are packed with essential minerals. They support eye health. Their high vitamin A content helps maintain good vision and prevents eye-related disorders. They boost brain function, just the same as for the food lovers of fish. It boosts as well brain function. And just like that, our delicious stir-fried dried fish is ready. This dish is not only flavorful but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you strong and healthy. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how you like to prepare your dried fish. I once did a recipe of this. You can preview, or you can just go back to my previous videos, check on it. You get to follow the step by step, and it will turn out perfect. And so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to Ethica's Kitchen for more amazing recipes like this. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.